Tires are here. Well, my tires got here, so I call it my tire man. Feels like mounting them for me. Yeah, she's sticking a little. Best thing I can do is drag them a little. Not like that. I might need to get this in the garage and spend some time on my rear brakes. All right, I'm gonna pop tire off this thing. I worked on this a while back, and it seemed like it wasn't too bad. I cleaned it up, but apparently it's still sticking. So I'm going to, I might grind these shoes a little bit, try to get off. What happens on these brake shoes is they get stained with brake fluid. Causes them to grab, and a lot of people put new shoes on, which I may want to do, but I'd like to not if I don't have to. Just, I cleaned them with acetone last time, but I should have sanded them or something. I might take a wire brush to them. Anyway, we're going to see if we can't get it to stop doing that nonsense. I don't want Todd and Lisa to take it out for a ride and have it lock up on them somewhere. That'd be unnecessary. About to say, thankfully, I got what I need to take them off and put them back on. Well, so came off pretty easy last time. I'm pretty sure Rusty Acres would like to be here doing this because, you know, he's a Mopar guy. And every time I work on a Mopar, I'm pretty sure he's sitting down there with his alligators. You know, he's got an alligator farm down in Florida, and the alligators come out and beg for food at his back door, and he throws the neighbors' children to them, and that keeps things quiet around his house there. I'm pretty sure he's sitting down there with his alligators, and he'll see me on this video, and he'll be saying, "Oh, I wish I could have gotten in on that." Dang, he'll say, "Dang." And then he'll say, "Dang again." Yeah, I bet he will. Might need a little screwdriver to get that off of there. Let's see what I got. This little one right here ought to do the trick. There ain't no leakage coming out of that cylinder. That's a good looking cylinder too. I think I'll just get me a piece of big old rough sandpaper and work on them with that. Well, I backed her out and she felt good. I went in and changed the battery of my camera, and I got me a glass of tea to take with me. You know, there's two ways that you can do things in life. You can do it uncomfortable, wishing you could hurry up and get through so you can go in and get yourself a glass of tea, or you can go ahead and go in and get yourself a glass of tea and then be comfortable while you're doing it. That's how I like to roll, baby. So, when I backed it out, it didn't lock. Felt like it's going to be good. I'm just going to take it for a little spin, and we'll see what we think. See, that's me hitting the brakes right there, and that's the brakes not locking right there. In backwards and in forward. See, forward and stop, forward and stop. So they're not locking anymore, which is what we want, right? That's what we want. We'll just take it around the block. Hadn't run it in a while, probably wouldn't hurt to run a battery, hurt to use the battery, charge the battery, you know what I'm saying?